Hello guys, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In this video, I'll show you how to check your Claude Code token usage, limits, and statistics. So without further ado, let's get started. First, open Claude Code in your terminal. To check your current usage, simply type the following command: /usage, then press Enter. This command will show you information such as your current session usage, plan usage, and activity statistics. Depending on your account, you'll also be able to see details like your total usage, session duration, lines of code added or changed, and the models you've been using. If you're using the Pro or Max plan, you'll also see your remaining plan usage and progress toward your usage limits. Next, if you want to view more detailed statistics, click on Stats. This panel will display more detailed usage information, including your activity over time and other helpful statistics. If you're using Claude Code with an API key, you'll also be able to see API-related usage information and costs. This method is the easiest way to keep track of your Claude Code usage and make sure you don't exceed your plan limits. And that's it. That's how to check your Claude Code token usage, limits, and stats. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, subscribe to 1 Minute IT Shot for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.